Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 5.3 of the chapter coordinate geometry from 9th class. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. So in this total exercise I am going to use the graph paper only. So that is the only reason I am turning the video towards the vertical mode. So please watch it in vertical only. Okay, first for the graph we need to draw the x-axis as well as y-axis, and this x-axis and y-axis we need to draw compulsory with the help of scale only. So x-axis, y-axis, so x dash and y dash. Writing the numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. This side -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 and -7 continues. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Downside -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 and so on. Okay, now let us represent one by one point. In the first bit we have plot the following points in the Cartesian plane whose xy coordinates are given. So x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is -3. This is point 2 on the x-axis. I'm sorry. This is 2 on the x-axis and y coordinate is given as -3. So this is -3 on the y coordinate. Where these two lines are touching with each other, that point will become 2, -3. So that point is this one. That is 2, -3. And these two lines are just for understanding purpose only. Of course, if you want to draw those lines in the exam, you can draw. If you are not interested to draw, you can completely avoid those lines. Next, second point we have 3, -3. 3, -3. So on the x-axis 3. On the y-axis -3. So where these two lines are touching with each other here, this point will become 3, -3. Next, one more. We have -1, 4. On the x-axis, this is -1. And on the y-axis, we want 4. So this is 4. Where these two lines are touching with each other, obviously here. So this is the point for -1, 4. Next one in this, we have 0, 11. So whenever we have any point like this 0, 11, one coordinate is 0 and one coordinate number is there. Which coordinate number is there on that axis, the point will lies. So 0, 11 is there. So this 11 is y coordinate. So this point lies on the y axis. Unfortunately here we will be having only till 7 numbers. So still if we extend it, 8, 9, 10, 11 will be there. On that point 11 it will be there. Next, -9, 0. So -9, 0. This -9 is x coordinate. So it lies on the x-axis. Whereas this is negative, so it lies on the negative x-axis only. So here we have till -6, -7, -8, -9. So on that -9 it lies. Next question we have -4, -6. -4 on the x-axis, -6 on the y-axis. These two points are touching with each other at this point, then that point is -4, -6. While you are representing the points only, write the point location exactly. This is 2, -3 and this is 3, -3 and this will become -1, 4 and this will become -4, -6. So whatever it may be the graph, scale is must and should. right side topmost corner. scale. On x-axis what you are taking, on y-axis what you are taking. On x-axis what we are taking, on y-axis what we are taking. Here every box represents 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to. Here we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 unit. Y-axis also we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 unit. X centimeter on on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis also 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Next, let us check the second bit. So first bit completed. Now let us move to second bit. I'll keep the graph as well as numbers, everything same. Just I'll remove this. Okay, anyway, scale also same only. Now he's asking in the second bit, are the points 5 comma minus 8 and minus 8 comma 5 same or different? First one is 5 comma minus 8. 5 comma minus 8. This is the point. And minus 8 comma 5. Minus 8 comma 5. Here on the x dash it will go this side. So if you represent that, it will come here minus 7, somewhere here minus 8. So he is asking about minus 8 comma 5. So minus 8 comma 5, it lies here. He is asking that are these 2 points the same? Obviously both are completely different from each other. Next, let us move to the third bit. Okay, in the third bit he gave, what can you say about the points 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, where it will be 1 comma 2, this one. Next, I'll write it here, 1 comma 2. Next one, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, here only again, 1 comma 3. Next, 1 comma minus 4, 1 comma minus 4 here, 1 comma minus 4. Next, 1 comma 0, so 1 comma 0 is means on the x-axis exactly. Next, 1 comma 8, so here actually I don't have 8 numbers, so that's why I'm leaving that point completely. So now if you observe this, all the points clearly, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 0, 1 comma minus 4, these all are at the equal distance from the y-axis. If the x coordinates are same for some points, then those all the points lie equal distance from the y-axis. Next, let us move to bit number 5. Okay, in the bit number 5 we have plot the points 0 comma 0. So here it is 0 comma 0. Next, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 4 comma 3, 4 is here and 3 is here, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0. Okay, we represented all the points on the graph paper. Next, join the points with straight lines. We need to join all the points with straight lines to make a rectangle. Yes, we got a rectangle now. So for this rectangle, this will become the length and this will become the breadth. So starting from 0 to 4 and this is from 0 to 3. So 4 units length and 3 units breadth. This is the rectangle. And he is asking to find the area of the rectangle also. So area of a rectangle formula is A equals to L into B. Here 4 is the length into breadth is 3. So 4 3s are 12 unit square. Instead of like that, we can count the number of boxes also. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12. So total 12 boxes are there. So it means 12 unit square is the area of that particular triangle. Next, let us move to bit number 6. Okay, in the bit number 6 he asked, plot the points 2 comma 3. This is 2 comma 3, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 6 comma 3, and 4 comma 7, 4 comma 7. Okay, we represent all the points. Join them to make it a triangle. We need to join the points and it will become a triangle. Let us check once. So yes, we got a triangle obviously. Then in this he is asking to find the area of the triangle also. We know very well that area of the triangle is nothing but half into base into height. So half into base into height. So half into base into height as usual. Now half into, then what is the base of the triangle? Here base is starting from here to here. So this point is 2 and this point is 6. So how many units gap is there in between those two? 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So base will become 4 into, what about the height then? Height is from here to here. That is the height of the triangle. So starting from 3 to 7, it means again 1, 2, 3, 4 units gap. So half into 4 into 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is nothing but 4 twos are 8. 8 unit square. In this case also we can count by counting how many number of boxes are there. But what happens here means this triangle is not going particularly in one order. It is going like this. It is not covering half of the box or else completely one box. So it is very difficult to find out how many boxes it is completely covering. So in this case only we can able to go with the formula only. Next, let us move to bit number 7. Okay, in the bit number 7 he is asking plot at least 6 points in a graph sheet, each having the sum of its coordinates equal to 5. So sum of the coordinates should be equal to 5. For example, 0 comma 5, 5 comma 0, 1 comma 4, otherwise 4 comma 1, next 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2. He is asking at least 6, so 6 points are enough. Now let us represent one by one. First 0 comma 5. This is 0 comma 5. Next is 5 comma 0. This is 5 comma 0. Then 1 comma 4. This is 1 comma 4. Next 4 comma 1. This is 4 comma 1. And then 2 comma 3. This is 2 comma 3. Then 3 comma 2. This is 3 comma 2. And in this question he didn't ask anything to join the points or something like this. So no need to worry anything about it. Okay, now let us move to the bit number 8. In the bit number 8 already he only gave the graph and he only represented some points also. Just he is asking to write the coordinates of the points. Here point A is there. Okay, one by one point we will only represent here itself. So here if you observe, this is minus 3 and 4. So point A is minus 3 comma 4. Next, here we have one more point that is only on the y-axis, that to positive, so x coordinate will become 0. So this point will become 0 comma 5. Next, and one more point is here. This point will become 3 comma 4. Next one more point is here. This point will become 2, 4. Next one point is here. This point will become 2, 0. Next point is here. This point will become 3, 0. Whatever the order I am writing, those are same A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F. Next, G point if you observe. Here one point is there. That will become 3, -1. So like this only you represent remaining points. Because if you represent more points, it looks very dirty in the single graph paper only. So that's why I'm leaving just till here only. Okay, now let us move to the 9th bit. Okay, next bit number 9. So in the bit number he gave some points and we need to join those points, represent those points as well as joining those points. The first point he gave is 2, 5. So this is a point where 2, 5 lies. And next 4, 7. 4, 7. This is the point. And he is asking to join these 2 points also. So always joining points in this type of questions is with scale only. So simply join it with scale. That's it. Oh, I'm sorry. Here we are joining the points, right? So points we are joining means exactly it should be this much only. We should not extend it again. Okay, next one more question we have. -3, 5. -3, 5 this point. And -1, 7. This is -1, this is 7. -1, 7. Let us join these 2 points also. These 2 are points, so don't extend it further. Next point is -3, -4. -3, -4. And 2, -4. 2, -4. So these 2 if we join, this much. Next, 4th question. -3, -5. -3, -5 this point. 2, -5. 2, -5 this point. If we join these 2, it comes like this. And remaining questions you do by your own. Because simply it is just joining only, right? No problem with this. Okay, now let us move to the last bit in this exercise as well as in this chapter, that is 10th bit. Plot the following pairs of points on the axis and join them with line segments. Okay, in that first question is 1, 0. This is 1, 0. And 0, 9. This is 0. So 9 will be somewhere here. 0, 9. These 2 points is asking to join. Okay, we did it. Next 2, 0. This is 2, 0. And 0, 8. 0, 8 also will be somewhere outside only. Again joining these 2 points. Finish. Always joining the points with the line segment, with the scale only, not with hand. Next 3, 0. 3, 0. This is 3, 0. And 0, 7. So this is 7. If we join these 2 points, it comes something like this. Next 4, 0. This is 4, 0. And 0, 6. This is 0, 6. So if we join these 2, it comes like this. Next 5, 0. 5, 0. 0, 5. This is 0, 5. If we join these 2, it comes like this. Next 6, 0. This is 6, 0. And 0, 4. This is 0, 4. So if we join this, these 2 points will become like this. Next 7 comma 0 is there, but 7 is not there on the x-axis, so I'm leaving it, and remaining also you do it as homework. So by this we completed the total chapter. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.